Can a factory refurbished receiver truly deliver a premium home theater experience without breaking the bank? This Yamaha RX-V375-R claims to do just that, promising high-end features at an incredible value. Right out of the gate, the RX-V375-R impresses with its audio prowess. This 5.1-channel powerhouse pushes 100 watts per channel, but it's the discrete amp configuration and low-jitter PLL circuitry that truly shine, delivering cleaner, more precise sound imaging. It decodes all major HD audio formats like Dolby True HD and DTS HD Master Audio, ensuring you catch every detail. With 192 kHz 24-bit Burr Brown DACs, audio fidelity is genuinely impressive for an entry-level unit, handling dynamic shifts beautifully for impactful, immersive sound. On the video front, this receiver is surprisingly future-proof with 4K pass-through, ready for next-generation super high-resolution images. You get 4 HDMI inputs and 1 output, all supporting 3D and audio return channel, making device connections super convenient. Plus, the front USB input for iPhone and iPod is a thoughtful touch, letting you easily play your tunes directly. Now about the refurbished aspect. This isn't just a used item, it's factory refurbished by Yamaha, meaning it's been thoroughly tested, inspected, and repackaged. While minor cosmetic damage might exist, it's a small trade-off for significant savings. Crucially, it still comes with a 1-year Yamaha factory warranty when purchased from authorized dealers. That peace of mind is invaluable, offering a fantastic way to get a quality home theater system without the premium price tag. Overall, the Yamaha RX-V375-R, even refurbished, stands out as an exceptional value. It delivers powerful, clear 5.1 surround sound, handles 4K video, and offers essential connectivity, all backed by Yamaha's quality and a factory warranty. If you're seeking a reliable, feature-rich receiver that won't empty your wallet, this one is definitely worth considering for your home entertainment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.